Hi kids! Welcome to Let's Read. Today, we're going to learn a CVC word ending a and a n. Are you ready? Let's start with a am. Can you read it? Now, let's begin reading. J, a, m. J, am, jam. Next is d, a, m, d, dum. S, a, m, Sam. Now kids, let's read it together.
Jump! Down! Sound!
Wow, great job. Now, let's move on to a, n. K, a, n. Can. A, n. A, n. Man. A, n. A, n. Fun. Now kids, let's read it together. Can, man, fun. Now, can you read it again? Ready?
Can, man, fun.
Wow! Excellent! Now, let's review. Jump, dumb, some, can, man, fun. Can you read it again?
Jump, down, some, can, man, fun.
Awesome! You did an amazing job today. Kids, did you get them all? Good job! Kids, don't forget to practice reading to develop your skills in reading. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss any more fun videos. See you next time!